everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. How are you doing today? Today I'll be making a lemon body wash, and also I will be making a lemon body scrub. You need something that can help you to moisturize your body, something that can help you look young, look radiant, something that can give your skin that natural, youthful, glowing skin. This body wash, it's for you. You need to try it out. And cover of ingredients I will be using to make this body wash today, I have it here. And actually you can use any body soap of your choice, but I will be making use of a pre-ready-made body wash. That is what I'll be using, and I decided to pick coconuts because coconuts has so many anti-aging nutrients in it that can help your skin to look young and give you that glowing natural radiant look. So I will be using this body wash. It has coconuts in it, and you can use any soap of your choice. I'll be using this because it is easier for me to get it done. So I will also be using lemon. Yeah. So lemon is the main ingredient we will be using to make this body wash today. And lemon has a lot of nutrients that can help your skin to look so youthful, young, and give you that natural glowing skin. And also I will be using aloe vera. Aloe vera has a lot of nutrients in it that can give your body that moisturizing texture and feeling that you want. So I will be adding honey into the body wash and into the scrub. And here I have coconut oil that I will be adding, and this has a lot of vitamins like vitamin E that can give your body and skin that good look. And I will be using this sugar to make the body scrub, the lemon body scrub. Stay tuned, let's dive into today's video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to wash my lemon and also to wash the aloe vera, and I will be blending. Let's go. The quantity of the lemons you'll be using to make this body wash actually depends on the quantity of body wash you want to make. So I'll be using 7 lemons. So I'm just going to cut the lemon and I'm going to blend this. I have the lemon, add it into the pot. So I have the lemons cut, and this is the main ingredient, and I will be blending it. So you want to add that, and I will be blending the lemon differently. And I also need the lemon zest. So that's the reason why I'm blending the whole lemon, because this lemon zest can actually give you a natural glowing skin also. So that's why I'll be blending everything together. I'll be using 1 cup of water to blend. I have the lemon in here. Here's the lemon. This one in the lemon. So I have the lemon, blended lemon, and I will pour this. This is by the side. There's the blended lemon that I'll be using. The next thing I will do is to blend the aloe vera. So I have the aloe vera cut, and I'll be blending that now. I will be blending with water, 1 cup of water. So the aloe vera was blended very well, and this is it. We have the blended aloe vera. This is it. I also have the blended lemon. And I'll be going to make the lemon body wash. In here I have the water, and I will be putting the stainless pot to make a double boiler. I have the coconut body wash. And the next thing, I will be adding the lemon into this. I'll be adding the blended aloe vera juice into this cup of coconut oil. I will be adding, so I have the honey, 1/2 cup.